Hey guys, so today we are heading off to Orlando's new water park, Volcano Bay, and I'm so excited. It looks so cool and it's looking absolutely gorgeous today. It was a bit chilly the last few days, so it's looking a lot better today, so we're gonna have a good day. Oh my god, it is so cool. I mean, there's a big volcano and that's a wave pool over there as well. There's a couple of slides at the top of the volcano as well, but it looks really cool. Also as well, when you get to the park then you get these things called tapus, and basically you go to a little totem pole before you go to the slide and you just tap it in and it'll give you time to come back and do the slide. That way you spend less time in the queues and more time in the water, which I think is a great idea. So I'm going to put this camera down, I'm going to hand it over to Mo, my underwater camera, and we're going to go have some fun. That you actually cannot take GoPros onto slides for a good reason, I suppose. So I won't get any footage on the slides, but sure, we're gonna go around and have fun anyway. Back to our hotel from Volcano Bay. So we got the bus from Volcano Bay to Universal and we're walking back from Universal. So it's been a really great day. Volcano Bay is actually a really cool park. So if you did like this video, make sure you leave us a like, comment and also hit subscribe as well. You can also check me out on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for another video.